Yes, I'm in my tank top again because we are still doing Christmas in July, celebrating the release of my new book, My First Christmas Piano Music. We're going to learn a new song today. Ready? Hi, my name is Miss Emily with EBN Music, and I'm a music teacher and a mom. And I am here to give you fun, creative piano and voice lessons for your kids. This video is kind of for the parents and it's kind of for the kids. So this is such an easy song that I think parents can teach this to their kids. And you don't really need me. You just kind of need me to teach you to teach them. We're going to learn the very first song in My First Christmas Piano Music today. It's for pre-order now at my site, ebnmusic.com/books. It goes on sale on July 29th. I know it seems kind of early for Christmas stuff, but people shop early for Christmas, right? So go grab it when it's ready. If you do grab it from my site, it does help me because I get some of that payment, a portion of it. But of course, you can just go to Amazon and type this book in and get it there too. Okay, the very first song in the book is Jolly Old St. Nicholas, and this is what we're going to learn today. It is really pretty easy. If you notice in the book, it has all the letter names written in. These are called alpha notes, and the alpha notes help beginners learn how to play the songs, because a lot of times we know where the keys are, we just don't know how to read them on the staff, so the alpha notes help a lot. But today you just kind of get to watch me and I will help you with this. All right, so the first things first, we're going to find our doghouse. Here's our doghouse, the group of 2 black keys. Go immediately to the left, and there is your C. This is the cat, Catsby, that lives outside of the doghouse. Place your thumb right here, and then place 1 finger per key. This hand is going to be in something called the next door neighbor position. That means that the thumbs are right next door to each other. I'm going to go ahead and play all the way through it, but don't worry, I'm going to slow this down. I just want you to hear what it sounds like all the way through. If you were really observant, you might notice that I'm only using 5 notes altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is only a combo of these notes. Okay, let's break this down line by line. The first line, you start with your number 3 finger. This is the E. This is the eagle flying overhead. He's also outside of the doghouse. All right, so we go E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 E, 2, 3, 4. By the way, as I play each line, feel free to pause this video and practice that part and then come back when you're ready. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's go to the second line. This is the line where our left hand starts, and our left hand is going to play the 2 finger, which is the A, and the 3 finger, which is the G. A, G, G, C, D, C, D, E, D, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you have an excellent ear, you might notice that these lines 1 and 3 are exactly the same, and lines 2 and 4 are almost exactly the same until you get to the end note. So if you can learn just line 1 and pretty much just line 2, except for the little different ending, you've learned the whole song. I love to tell my own students this. When they see a long song, they get kind of freaked out, but I'm like, you know what? Some of the lines actually repeat, so you don't have to learn as much as you think you do. Okay, I said that because we're on to the third line, which is the same thing as the first line. E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 E. Feel free to pause that if you need to. And now, if you're back here, now we go to the 4th line, and it starts the same way as the second line. Start on your 2 finger on the A. It's different because we don't go to the D, we go to the C. Now here's a little bonus duet. When you have learned that yourself, I'm gonna play a duet with you. We're gonna play together. So each line is gonna be placed here on the screen and it's gonna highlight the note that we're on. Here is the hand position. You can take a screenshot of this to help you out. It's got the letter names and then what keys you play to help reference guide you. And when you're ready, let's do it. Okay, so for the duet, I'm gonna count 1, 2, ready, go. And then we start. Okay, this is for real this time. 1, 2, ready, go. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. Yes, high five! We did that together. I hope you had fun with that. Let me know how it went. Be sure to comment below and let me know. Come back here to EBN Music with Emily Norris for more tutorials and tips and all music things, and go grab my first Christmas piano music at ebnmusic.com/books or on Amazon. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Happy Christmas in July. See you next time. Bye.